hidden from public view, behind locked gates. This is BMW's secret robot factory.
Raw aluminum arrives autonomously. No drivers, no paperwork, just machines communicating with machines.
Each coil weighs over 10 tons. The crane reads RFID tags and delivers metal to the exact press line needed.
Every sheet receives a digital fingerprint, visible only to the factory's machine vision systems.
Automated guided vehicles navigate using floor-embedded magnets. No GPS needed inside these walls.
Every batch is tested for tensile strength. If the metal is weak, it's rejected before cutting begins.
This automated storage tower holds enough metal for 2,000 cars. No forklifts, no drivers.
The first cut. Raw sheet becomes a precise blank, ready for the stamping gods.
6 presses, 6,000 tons of force. Each machine communicates with the next, timing down to the millisecond. A flat sheet becomes a 3-dimensional door panel in under 2 seconds. No human could survive this force.
The body side trim, one continuous piece of high-strength steel. BMW's signature Hofmeister kink is stamped here.
Trimming robots remove every imperfection. The edge tolerance is thinner than a human hair. Every surface is inspected, front, back, and every hidden crevice. Machines never miss a defect. Welcome to the welding cathedral. Over 400 robots work simultaneously, each knowing exactly where to weld.
Resistance spot welding, 5,000 welds per body shell. Each weld takes less than half a second. For the roof seam, BMW uses laser welding, intercrete, invisible joints that look like one continuous piece of metal.
The body in white takes shape. Every panel meets its partner with zero gap. Robots adjust in real time.
For aluminum body panels, BMW uses self-piercing rivets, stronger than welding, faster than bolts.
The paint shop is the most secretive area. What happens here determines if a BMW looks premium or ordinary. Electrocoating. The entire body receives a negative charge. Paint particles are positively charged. They bond at a molecular level.
Even hidden cavities receive protection. Rust will never find a home inside a BMW.
The primer is baked at 180 degrees Celsius. The oven is precisely controlled by AI that adjusts for each body size.
The base coat color is born here. BMW's signature metallic blues, deep blacks, and alpine whites forgotten, all applied by robots.
Color change in under 10 seconds. The robot cleans itself between every single car.
The final clear coat, 2 layers of liquid glass. Robots apply it thicker on horizontal surfaces, thinner on vertical. The paint is measured, not admired. If the orange peel texture exceeds 0.03 millimeters, the entire shell is stripped and repainted.
Inside BMW's secret engine clean room, air is filtered 20 times per hour. No dust, no oil mist, only precision.
Piston rings, gaps measured in microns. One robot installs all 4 rings on 8 pistons in under 2 minutes.
The cylinder walls are honed with diamond tools. The crosshatch pattern holds oil fruits, reducing friction, increasing power.
The crankshaft anchors, forged from a single piece of steel. It weighs over 40 pounds but floats into place on an oil film. Main bearing bolts tighten simultaneously. If one bolt is even slightly behind, the entire sequence stops.
The cylinder head. 32 valves, 16 springs, 2 camshafts. Assembled by robots that never fatigue.
Timing is everything. The robot verifies cam-to-crank alignment with laser optics. Zero tolerance for error.
Twin-scroll turbochargers, assembled in clean room conditions. Each turbine spins at over 150,000 RPM. Every BMW engine is hot-tested, fired up, run through RPM ranges, and measured for power output. Machines test machines. Final assembly. The painted body and the tested powertrain race toward their meeting. A marriage arranged by machines.
From below, the marriage looks like a ballet. 4 mounting points, 4 bolts, 4 robots working as one.
16 bolts in 4 seconds. Every bolt is tracked by serial number. The car knows who tightened what.
Adaptive M suspension. Each strut contains a magnetic valve that adjusts damping in milliseconds.
6-piston fixed calipers. The robot installs them with the same precision a surgeon uses for a heart valve.
The exhaust roof, tuned for that unmistakable BMW sound. Robots measure back pressure before the car ever starts. X-Drive all-wheel drive demands a carbon fiber drive shaft, lighter, stronger, and perfectly balanced by robots. The cockpit, over 800 individual components. No human has ever touched this dashboard.
BMW curved display controls a single piece of glass spanning the entire cockpit. Installed by clean room robots.
The M Sport steering wheel, heated, paddle shifted, and wrapped in leather. Installed by a robot that never leaves a fingerprint.
The dashboard flies into the body like a spaceship docking. 14 attachment points. 1 movement. Perfect.
Multi-contour seats, heated, ventilated, massaging. Robots bolt them to the floor in under 30 seconds each. Even the seatbelt is tested by machine. An electrical pulse confirms the pretensioner will fire if needed.
The windshield, bonded with structural adhesive that cures in under an hour. Robot applied, robot verified.
BMW laser light, visible for over 600 meters. Installed and aimed by robots in a single fluid motion.
OLED taillights, each segment individually addressable. Robots test every light pattern before the car moves.
M light alloy wheels, forged, not cast. 5 robots mount all 4 wheels in under 1 minute.
The light tunnel. 500 million pixels inspect every square inch. A scratch smaller than a grain of salt is detected.
Panel gaps measured to within 1/10 of a millimeter. BMW tolerances are the tightest in the industry.
Headlight alignment. A robotic camera watches the beam pattern. If a single pixel is off, the system recalibrates.
On the rollers, every system is tested at speed. ABS, DSC, transmission shifts, all by computer, all recorded.
Acoustic testing. The machine listens for squeaks, rattles, and wind noise. A silent cabin is a luxury cabin.
100 water jets. 10,000 gallons per minute. If a single drop enters the cabin, the car is rejected.
Every torque, every weld, every paint measurement uploaded to BMW's cloud. This car has a perfect digital twin. From raw aluminum to this moment, under 4 hours of machine precision. No human has touched this car. 1 car every 90 seconds. 40 per hour, nearly 1,000 per day. All built by machines, for the driving purist.
The car parks itself onto the transporter. A machine loading machines. The future is already here.
The roundel, symbol of BMW, symbol of flight, symbol of precision without compromise.
Behind these walls, the secret continues. No humans, no brakes.
If you enjoyed this insane footage inside BMW's secret robot factory, hit like and subscribe to Factory Wheels.